Hi, I'm Aimee Haecker, a White Oak Middle School math teacher. Today I would like to show you how we plan to use interactive notebooks in 6th grade math. Interactive notebooks have been around for a long time. I love using them. Implemented correctly, interactive notebooks are a valuable resource to the student. So what is the purpose of an interactive notebook? Well, in our 6th grade classroom, it will serve as a personalized textbook and a student portfolio. It will provide students with all the information they need to be successful. It will also be a collection of the students' work, notes, and quizzes completed throughout the school year. There are 5 sections of the 6th grade math interactive notebook: cover and title page, table of contents, content, resource information, and math tutoring schedule. I would like to describe each one of these in more detail. First, a few suggestions how to properly maintain an interactive notebook. Start with a 100-page composition book. If you pay attention to the back-to-school sales, you can find some good deals. In July, I found composition books for 50 cents each at my local Walmart. When creating and maintaining the content of your notebook, write neatly and legibly, use complete sentences to communicate, and never tear out pages. Now I will explain how to set up the notebook. Sometimes we can't prevent judging a book by its cover, and step 1 is creating an eye-catching notebook cover that shows insight and sets high expectations for quality work. Students may use photos, magazine clippings, decorative paper, or duct tape to create their cover. We will be decorating covers on the second day of school. The second step is to create the title page. The title page is located at the front of the notebook. The student will record his or her name, the course name, the classroom number. This helps ensure that any lost notebooks find their way home. Here you will also find the class syllabus, which describes the teacher's class expectations and the supply list. As you can see in the picture, on the inside front cover there is a pocket used to store the weekly warm-up paper. This is only one example of how the interactive notebook helps students with their organization. The table of contents is located at the front of the notebook. Students will write their own table of contents as the year progresses. Students are often permitted to use interactive notebooks on quizzes. The table of contents will help students locate information easily and quickly during a quiz. Recording daily grades allows students to reflect on their progress. This is a useful tool to both parents and students to identify topics students need to practice. The interactive notebook is structured so the contents on the right side represents teacher input and the contents on the left side represents students' output. The students will number all the pages of the notebook during the first week of school. Even numbered pages on the left, odd numbered pages on the right. The right side provides notes, guided practice problems, and resources to help review concepts presented in class. The pages on the right side of the notebook will be labeled with odd numbers. It demonstrates the student's understanding of concepts presented in class through independent practice and reflections. You will see in the picture that even numbered pages are divided into 2 parts. One half is used for independent practice and the other half for reflection by writing a journal entry. Students are expected to write down the independent practice assignment, so there is no confusion if homework is necessary. Students typically have homework 3 to 4 days each week. When the student completes the daily assignment, it will be attached to the even number page using glue or tape. At times, students don't turn in their homework. If a student fails to attach the completed assignment, the student will be expected to write a homework excuse. Parents, if you see your child has written a homework excuse in his or her notebook, please encourage your child to do the assignment and turn it in as soon as possible. We want to avoid entering any zeros in the gradebook. Step is to create a section of the notebook to store reference materials. There will be 2 or more pockets located in the back of the notebook used to store assignments and reference materials. Whenever we have a busy day in class and don't quite finish all we have planned, we can place items in the Works in Progress pocket. Designated places for completed homework assignments, and the Grade 6 Math formula chart. Back cover, there are more reference materials students may use on daily assignments or quizzes. Adjacent to the back cover, on the last page of the notebook, students will attach the math tutoring schedule. This will be used as a hall pass to attend math tutoring during the mornings and afternoons. Thank you for taking the time to become familiar with the interactive notebooks. Parents, help us have a successful year by asking your child to show you his or her notebook 2 or 3 times each week. Please be sure to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you again for all of your support.